How did the Mayan calendar understand cyclical time? Imagine living in a world where time is not a straight line but a series of endless loops. That's exactly how the ancient Mayans saw the flow of time. They believed that history, nature, and the cosmos all moved in repeating patterns. Instead of thinking that time moves forward forever, they thought it circles back on itself, like seasons or the phases of the moon. This idea shaped their entire calendar system. The Mayans used several interconnected cycles to keep track of time. The first was called the Cyclical, which was a sacred calendar lasting 260 days. It combined 20 different day names with numbers from 1 to 13, creating a total of 260 unique day combinations. Each day had its own spiritual meaning, kind of like astrology, guiding their rituals and decisions. Next was the Hob calendar, which had 365 days, similar to our solar year. It was divided into 18 months of 20 days each, plus a short 5-day period called Wyeb. The Wyeb was considered unlucky, so the Mayans paid special attention to it. To see how these two calendars worked together, the Mayans created what's called the calendar round. This was a cycle of about 52 years, or 18,980 days. Only after this period would the same combination of Tzolk'in day and Hob date repeat. It was like a giant clock that reset every 52 years. But the Mayans didn't stop there. They also had the long count calendar, which was used to track longer periods of time. It started from a fixed point, which corresponds to August 11th, 2111 years before Christ. This calendar counted days in units called baktuns, each lasting about 394 years. When 13 baktuns had passed, roughly 5,125 years, it marked the end of a major cycle. The Maya believed that these cycles represented cosmic ages, and when one ended, a new one began. They also observed celestial movements, like the cycles of Venus and the moon, and incorporated these into their calendar system. This made their calendar incredibly precise, capable of predicting solar eclipses and planetary positions. So, the Mayans saw time as a series of repeating, interconnected cycles. They believed history and the universe moved in endless loops, with each cycle leading to a new beginning. The famous date of December 21st, 2012, was just the end of one cycle and the start of another, not the end of the world. Their understanding of cyclical time was a way of seeing the universe as a continuous, renewing process.